So the ASUS Prime Z690-A is a high-end motherboard that is designed for gamers and enthusiasts, and is based on the LGA 1700 socket, which not only supports Intel 12th gen processors, but also the latest 13th gen processors, as long as you have an up-to-date BIOS installed with 13th gen CPU support. The motherboard features PCIe 5.0, Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, as well as a USB 3.2 Gen 2 front panel Type-C connector that you see right here. And taking a close look at the back I/O, you have a modest amount of USB-A ports and a couple of USB Type-C ports. Also included is a 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet port. First, let's take a look at the design of the motherboard. The ASUS Prime Z690-A has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any system. It features an all-black PCB with silver accents and RGB lighting that can be customized to match your system. Next, let's talk about the features of the ASUS Prime Z690-A. It has 4 M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSDs, as well as 4 SATA ports here on the side edge for traditional hard drives. The motherboard includes 2 M.2 heatsinks. We see this very large one right here, which covers cooling for 2 of the M.2 slots, and then we get the smaller heatsink on the left here, which covers cooling this M.2 slot. In addition, you have a 4th available M.2 slot, which doesn't come with a heatsink, but you can always buy an M.2 NVMe SSD drive that includes a heatsink. One of the things that sets the ASUS Prime Z690-A apart from other motherboards is its robust power delivery system. It has 16 power stages that can handle even the most demanding CPUs, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. Now let's talk about performance. The ASUS Prime Z690-A is designed to work with DDR5 RAM, which is faster and more efficient than DDR4 RAM. This means that you'll be able to get even better performance out of your system than you would with DDR4 RAM. If you pair this motherboard with a good 12th or 13th gen CPU, such as this Core i9-12900K Intel CPU, as well as a good graphics card, then you can achieve some very smooth gaming in popular games such as Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Warzone, and Apex Legends. Another good reason to pick this motherboard over other brands is its excellent BIOS and software, which features AI overclocking and AI cooling that takes the guesswork out of overclocking your gaming system to get the most performance out of your computer. Overall, I highly recommend the ASUS Prime Z690-A motherboard for anyone who is looking to build a high-end gaming PC. It's packed with features, and its AI overclocking and AI cooling are incredibly easy to use.